Welcome to the Weather Centre on Wednesday. We're still expecting a bit of moisture in the Eastern Cape after a frontal system brought in showers on Tuesday. We're also forecasting partly cloudy weather through to KwaZulu-Natal, and as a high pressure ridge is in behind that departing cold front, it brings in the possibility of light rain or drizzle along the northeastern escarpment. We're also expecting some light evening rain along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, but the sunny day over the western, central and southern part of South Africa, and offshore flow results in bergwind conditions along the west coast, and there's even a high fire danger warning over the northwestern part of South Africa. Here's our rainfall probability map with a 40% chance of light rain, mainly over the northeastern escarpment of Limpopo, with a slight possibility of drizzle as we head towards Mpumalanga, and we're expecting some light evening rain along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Maximum temperatures will peak in the mid-20s for the northwest, as well as Gauteng on Wednesday afternoon, 23 degrees with a mild day for Polokwane, and still quite cool for Ermelo at 19 degrees, Bombela expecting a maximum of 22. Bloemfontein matches that daytime high with a high of around 20 for Queenstown, as well as Grahamstown and Bishu, 22 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, Vryheid and Umtata, with a mild Wednesday in store. 24 as we head towards Durban and Richards Bay, with highs in the low 20s as we head towards Port Elizabeth. You'll see a light southerly breeze for Port Elizabeth, with more of a fresh southwesterly to southerly wind along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, and a 2.5 metre southerly swell at 10 seconds. A high of 22 is forecast for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, with a sunny and warm day throughout the Western Cape, Vredendal topping 31 degrees. We're expecting a light southeasterly wind for Muizenberg at 24, with a moderate southeaster for Hermanus and a moderate to fresh easterly wind between Cape Agulhas and Mossel Bay. In Jeffreys Bay, we're expecting more of a light east-southeasterly wind with a 2 metre southerly swell at 9 seconds. 22 degrees is your high for Kimberley and R, Uppington at 28. A cold start to the day for Sutherland and a high of 21 degrees. Springbok warming up to 27. We're also expecting a high of 27 degrees for Cape Town with a light southerly breeze. You'll see more of an easterly offshore component to the wind for Lambert's Bay, with a moderate southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay later on in the day, and a maximum temperature of a sizzling hot 35, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. Things remain dry across South Africa on Thursday with lots of sunshine. We're still expecting a bit of cloud over the northeastern parts, but you'll see pleasant autumn temperatures across the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.